Hey everybody, Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich here. Quick update on the storms moving through the area. Some have been strong, but the bigger issue, honestly, is the cloud-to-ground lightning. You've seen a lot of cloud-to-ground lightning moving across the area. I'm going to loop this a couple of times, and you can see the movement off to the north and east. I got the visible satellite image there because I want to show you there's still sunshine up from areas from Hickory to Statesville over towards the Salisbury area. So there's a really good chance we'll see additional storms fill in here, especially as the outflow from these storms pushes up to the north. That's going to set the stage for likely more showers and storms. If we go in closer, you can see we've got a couple severe thunderstorm warnings. Ooh, I went a little too quick there. Down here in Lancaster and parts of Chester County. I'll highlight those real quickly. So that's a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Chester and Lancaster County. That is up until 3 o'clock. So about another 5 minutes or so. This will expire by the time a lot of you even see this video. But these storms do have some strong winds with them, that maybe 55, 60 miles an hour at best. I really think the lightning and the flash flood risk is going to be an issue because you can see how slow these things are moving. They're moving off to the north and east, not at a really big pace, and they're dumping some real heavy rain. So let's go into a couple locations down here in Lancaster County. Really heavy rain along Highway 9, 521 coming up from Lancaster, and then pushing up into areas around Fort Mill, Rock Hill, Pineville area. Very heavy rain moving pretty much right up 77. New storm trying to pop up here just near Lake Wiley. Heading over the Buster Boyd Bridge there. So you can see that heavy rain right there as you cross over the lake, going over there into parts of York County. Now, what I anticipate will happen for the remainder of the afternoon is we'll see additional storms develop because there's a disturbance coming up from the south. I'm actually going to turn on the wider radar just so you can see there are more storms developing down in this area. But these storms, while they were eating up some of the fuel for storms, they're going to provide the opportunity for new storms to develop. And the way that works is the outflow from these storms will help fill in the storms in these areas. So as we go into the afternoon, don't be surprised to see additional storms start to pop up as we're starting to see over here towards Earl and towards Patterson Springs, down towards Hickory Grove area. So this will be the trend for the remainder of the afternoon. Once we get to sunset, which today is coming up, let's see, what time is sunset tonight? It's right around 8:25, 8:24 or so. The storms will begin to calm down. So far, the only reports I've had is some 1-inch hail just came in from York. So we just got a 1-inch hail report coming in from York area. Actually, let me throw on the, where are my storm reports here? I was going to throw them on here for a second just to show you. But we're starting to get some storm reports coming in of some 1-inch hail right around York. So it looks like this cell right in here probably produced a little bit. That was in the Fort Mill area. Actually, they got that in the wrong spot. Fort Mill, sorry, that was Fort Mill. So some right in the Fort Mill area, probably this cell, which is now heading up towards the Regent Park area and then heading towards Pineville and the Ballantyne area. So that one's got a little history. You see that pink right there? Probably a little bit of hail coming out of that, and just got a 1-inch report of some hail coming out of that. So don't be surprised if we see some additional reports of some small hail or even some gusty winds as these move to the north and east. Of course, I'll keep updating this throughout the afternoon, and stay tuned to my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We'll keep everything up to date throughout the evening.